Hey everyone, I'm Ryan from SUMO Scheduler. For anyone new to our platform, we empower Salesforce users to book more meetings with their customers through powerful appointment, event, and course scheduling applications, all built natively on Salesforce. Our customer engagement platform's three product suites drive ROI by significantly reducing the time spent on coordination and administration. This results in more appointments scheduled, fewer cancellations, and increased employee and customer satisfaction. Today, we'll be focusing on how Sumo's event and course suite provides new ways to engage with your customers, prospects, and affiliates. Our event and course scheduler's ability to bring groups of people together truly spans a wide variety of use cases. Marketing professionals love leveraging Sumo to launch campaigns for experiential marketing events, product launches, client mixers, and more. Nonprofit organizers can easily connect with their current and future donors for upcoming membership events and webinars. Education coordinators rely on Sumo's event and course scheduler to streamline the creation and management of single classes and courses while enabling students to register for classes online. Corporate trainers and HR staff ensure that employees have an easy avenue to register for training sessions and, just as importantly, manage their training class creation and employee attendance. These are just a few of the many ways that organizations benefit from Sumo's event and course suite. Sumo's ability to drive event and class participation applies to many platforms, making it effortless to capture the attention and attendance of your target audience in quick fashion. We make it easy to provide a deeper level of engagement for anyone browsing your website by offering a targeted webinar. Easily invite those hundreds of social media connections to learn more about your latest products or services. Bring your clients, prospects, or donors together for an in-person function using Sumo with your marketing tool of choice. Even control access by enabling students and employees to register for classes from your Salesforce community. Now, you're likely wondering how all this comes together, so let's take a look behind the curtain. Sumo empowers users with the ability to quickly create events and courses while easily defining specific parameters in the process, all natively in your Salesforce org. Let's begin with a brief tour of Sumo's multi-calendar, which provides a holistic overview of your team's scheduled appointments, events, and courses. Each user can customize their view using a variety of filtering options, ensuring they can easily focus on the host, teams, locations, and skill sets that matter most to them. These filters can be saved and quickly accessed by each Sumo user. The multi-calendar also offers a number of viewing options, ranging from a very granular day view to a view that incorporates multiple weeks of visibility. Each appointment, event, and course features a customizable hover-over window, ensuring that users can quickly assess important information without a single click. Should you need to access additional information about events or make edits, these capabilities are only a click away. Now, let's take a look at just how easy it is to create an event. From here, I'll take on the role of Christian, a marketing manager who would like to launch a series of weekly product webinars spanning 4 weeks. From the Event Creator pop-up, I'm able to first give my event a title, description, category, and color-code it for visibility. I can then set my location options. Due to this being a webinar, I'll make it a virtual meeting which will include my web conferencing details and leave the capacity open to allow as many attendees as possible. If this were an in-person event, I could select my location from a list or enter a new location, as well as leverage room and equipment resources as needed. If I wanted to schedule on behalf of another host, I can directly add them or search based on their location, skill set, and real-time availability. Finally, I'll set up my webinar's recurrence. I'd like to schedule a webinar for the next 4 Fridays and quickly set the parameters. I then check the recurrence schedule to ensure the webinar timing aligns with my availability in Sumo for each week. Looks like I'm good to go. Now that I've saved and published my webinar series, it's time to create a customer-facing registration link which includes all of my webinar options. This brings us to Sumo's Event Link Builder, which empowers me with a host of ways to ensure the webinar series I've just created is deployed to my customers in the manner I choose. Sumo enables me to create a static link, which will only contain the events I choose, or create a dynamic link, which can be set to include upcoming events which are not yet created but match specific criteria defined for this link. Because I want the option to create and automatically add newly created webinars to this link in the future, I choose to create a dynamic link. I can then choose the right event template from a selection of any I've created. Each can have its own branding, logos, font, colors, fields, and more. Finally, I give my link a name for quick reference and leverage specific filtering options such as a keyword, date range, location, and host to automatically add future events matching these settings to my link. Once completed, the link can be saved and deployed to attendees using SUMO's online registration sites. SUMO's online registration sites enable attendees to register for my webinar series by including the link in a marketing campaign, on my company's website, social media presence, my Salesforce community, and more. Let's take a look at the attendee registration experience firsthand. As an attendee, I can first choose which webinar I'd like to attend. I can also invite others to the webinar if needed. I can then provide my contact info in customizable fields, which can be specific to each event registration template. I then receive an event confirmation both here and via email with options to decline attendance and add to my calendar of choice. Just to ensure the webinar stays top of mind, I will also receive a reminder about my upcoming webinar. Following my registration, our marketing manager, Christian, can easily assess attendance for each of his webinars directly from the pop-up on SUMO's multi-calendar, and even add attendees internally if needed. Once the webinar series has concluded, Christian can leverage SUMO's appointment suite to schedule individual meetings with each attendee in a number of ways to continue the conversation. SUMO's Event and Course Suite is one of the many tools included in SUMO's customer engagement platform. We make it easy for customers to connect with your organization in the manner they choose while filling your team's calendars with new opportunities to acquire, grow, and build brand advocates. To learn more about SUMO, please feel free to reach out to us using any of the methods listed here. I want to thank you for joining me today and hope you enjoyed the demonstration.